One specific exercise cuts hamstring injury risk by a massive 51%, yet most runners completely ignore it. The research is undeniable. Hamstrings don't fail because they are tight. They fail because they are weak, specifically while lengthening. That 51% reduction comes from the Nordic hamstring curl. Your hamstring acts as a brake during the late swing phase of sprinting. If the muscle can't handle the shear force at full extension, it snaps. Severity ranges from microscopic grade 1 tears to a catastrophic grade 3 rupture. But here is the trap that keeps runners injured. Your instinct is to stretch the pain. Stop immediately. Static stretching on an acute strain literally pulls healing fibers apart, resetting your recovery clock. Rehabilitation must follow a biological timeline, not a feeling. We start with heavy isometrics to build tendon stiffness without movement. Once pain subsides, we layer in slow concentric loading. Only when you have baseline strength do we introduce the heavy eccentrics, like Nordics or RDLs. This actually lengthens the muscle fascicles, changing your internal anatomy to bulletproof the braking mechanism. Finally, you cannot return to running until you expose the tissue to velocity. Jogging isn't enough. You must progress to 95% max speed to clear the injury, or it will return the moment you sprint for a finish line. Build a better break. Save your season.